Hey guys, welcome back. In the previous video we have added our song in the playlist and cleared our form, right? And now the time is to display all of the songs in the list form, right? We have an unordered list, and now I want to display all of the songs here to display whatever the new song is added in the playlist, right? So I'm going to mention here li, right? And in the list item I want to basically I want to iterate all of the song. Let's say we have multiple songs. Here I'll call the v for, right? And then I'll mention the song in songs, right? And here I'll make that as index, right? Let me call this something index. Why I'm making this as index? Here this one is a song array. I want to get all of the songs, and then here I'll pull that single song, and then I have index. So this index will represent the each unique row, right? Basically this will track the each unique row, and it will help us to play the specific song, mark it favorite, or delete that song, right? And here I'm going to mention this a key equal this same index, right? This one. And here I want to mention the song title in the strong tag. So here first song, I'm calling that above variable song song dot title, right? Because we are storing here in the title, right? This songs list, our song will be stored in the title key, so that's why I'm calling this songs dot title. And then we can also display that by, and whatever by, it's a song dot artist, right? And now let's give it a try here. Example song, it's made by Guri, and whatever the URL, let's click on this add a song. So you can see this now song is added, but its color is not correct, right? So let me pause that because it's a prayer time, and I'm coming back. Okay, our color is not working, so I'm going to now apply that color on it. So first I'm going to wrap this inside a div, and then I can apply the internal style, or I can mention any of the ID or class. Let's say song item. So I'm going to mention this song item class here. In this, it's only for this specific song item, and then color would be the white for that, right? Something like that. Okay, remove that space from here. Just go back and let's check that. Still the color is not white. Song item, and this one is a class. Okay, let me change that to only item. Maybe this class is reserved, I think, by the global class. Item only. Let's get save, and yes, you can see this now. This style is applied successfully. Okay, great. Now I want to add the buttons here, which will mark this as a play, then favorite, and remove, right? Okay, just go here and add another div. I want to wrap inside a separate div here, something like this. So let me add some spacing from above. Okay, let's say a button which will represent play, right? And then another button which will remove. Okay, I'll remove that functionality, and then another would be the mark this as favorite, right? Button, this would be pause, we'll work on it later. Okay, and then another would be the favorite, or you can mark this unfavorite, right? I'm commenting this out, so I'll also work on that. Okay, I've added that button. Now I need to basically add I have added those buttons. Let's check that, and yes, these buttons are added. Great. And now I want to work on that. If someone want to click on this remove button, so he can remove that song, right? Okay, great. So currently we are not playing the song, we are not pausing, and we are removing the song. So I think this should be a separate video. I'm basically pausing that video and going to start the new video. Till then, keep watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.